Thank you for joining my working gun dog. Pups have just had their mush. So we've been feeding them all cannon and we've been putting the milk additive in it as well. Don't quite get as much as mum at the moment. And you can see, yeah, it's early in on the morning, the first meal of the day, and they are full of energy. I'll get them out in a minute for a big run around in the house. And then we'll get them outside for the day. We've got another lovely sunny day again. So, like yesterday, we were out all day, seeing us working, so hearing plenty of noises. I don't seem fazed by any of it. I hope you're enjoying these daily pup dates. The boy's getting close to trying to get out. Don't forget to subscribe if you are. And from 8 weeks onwards, we'll be doing weekly training videos with all the tips and tricks that we use to try and get our dogs ready for competitions. Hope you're enjoying watching. Thank you.